This is the jumper backpack from Brevite. It's a casual backpack that can also be used to store your camera equipment as well. The jumper comes in a variety of color options, as you can see here on the website. There are currently 10 different colors that you can choose from. From a material perspective, the body of the backpack is made out of 600D polyester fabric. The polyester feels both thick and durable, but at the same time it's also very soft and smooth to the touch. And like all polyester, there is some form of water resistance, but it's definitely not waterproof, so try not to get it too wet. The zippers on the backpack are manufactured by Zoom, and the G-hook is manufactured by Duraflex. The straps on the backpack are made out of strong nylon material. Altogether, the high quality materials put into the construction of the backpack contributes to a very well made and sturdy product. And in case you do have issues with the durability of the backpack, Brevite does offer a limited lifetime warranty as well, so just something to keep in mind. In terms of storage options, in the front there is a medium-sized compartment that has 4 mesh pockets, 2 on the front wall and 2 against the back wall. This pocket is great when it comes to storing and organizing your smaller items, as the mesh pockets will keep them secure and stable. Behind this pocket is the camera storage compartment that has zippered access from the side and front of the backpack. It comes with customizable foam dividers that are padded to protect your camera equipment. The top zipper storage is located above the camera compartment. It doesn't offer too much storage space when the foam dividers are in place. This pocket in terms of storage can be used for items that are smaller to medium in size. This is a good area to keep them in. If you choose not to use the foam dividers in the camera compartment, they can be removed, and this compartment then merges with the top storage, which creates the main carrying compartment you would find in a traditional backpack. On the rear side of the backpack, we have another zipper compartment that can fit a laptop up to 16 inches in size. The compartment has some padding, but is not as thick as the one found in the camera compartment. Moving to the side opposite of the camera side pocket is a water bottle holder that comes with a security strap for additional stability. You can use it for a water bottle, but it also can be used for other items like an umbrella or a smaller tripod. Speaking of tripods, if we move to the bottom of the backpack, there are some straps that are meant for securing a tripod or anything that can be rolled up like a yoga mat, for example. Moving to the back, there is one small zipper pocket that is meant for your smaller valuables like a passport or a wallet. The fact that it's hard to reach and hidden makes it a great security pocket. On the back, there is also a luggage pass-through that can be used to hook onto your luggage that makes it easy to roll around with the backpack attached. Alright, so we pretty much covered most of, if not all of the backpack features and functionality. Now here are my overall thoughts on this backpack. First, I want to say if you're a casual camera hobbyist, this bag will more than meet your needs, as it gives you the storage options to use as both a camera bag or just a regular backpack. Professional photographers may find this bag limiting when it comes to additional camera equipment storage and also when it comes to weatherproofing features. All that being said, it does offer variety when it comes to storage and functionality, which is more than enough for most everyday users. All you need to know is that this is a great casual camera backpack that doesn't try too hard to stand out. A simple and traditional design with its vibrant color options makes the Brevite Jumper a very solid backpack for those who need a stylish camera bag, but at the same time also want an option to use it as a standard backpack as well. At the end of the day, it's up to you whether you want to get this backpack or not. I'm just here to inform you from my perspective. Alright, that's it from me today. My name is Eric. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.